I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us solve a few questions based on maximum and minimum value of quadratic function. The question here is, show that the value of 2x squared minus 4x plus 1 cannot be less than minus 2. So that is another way of saying find the vertex and see whether this equation is satisfied or not, right? So we have this function which is 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. Let us do completing the squares and find the vertex. So we can take 2 common. We are left with x squared minus 2x, and we'll keep this 1 separate. And next step is half of this number we have to consider, and add and subtract that square. Half of 2 is 1, so 1 square minus 1 square plus 1, and that gives you first 3 terms are perfect square, which are indeed x minus 1 whole square. Let me put a square bracket at this stage. I should have done it before also. So we have already utilized the 3 terms, that is x minus 1 whole square. Then we have minus 1 here, okay, plus 1. And let's expand it. So we get 2 times x minus 1 whole square minus 2 plus 1, and that gives us 2 times x minus 1 whole square minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Now, as you can see, it is a parabola with leading coefficient as positive, and therefore it will open upwards, correct? Since it opens upwards, and we know now the vertex is at what point? X equals to 1 and y is minus 1. So this parabola, the y value of this parabola is always greater than or equal to minus 1, right? Since it is greater than minus 1, we can say that it cannot be less than minus 2, right? Minus 2 is way below, right? And therefore, since minimum is minus 1, right? It cannot be, so the value cannot be, value of function is never less than, or we can value of function cannot be less than minus 2, okay? So that is how we can answer this question. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.